Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we're talking about one of the most popular moisturizing cream out there, Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. You've probably seen it everywhere and maybe you're wondering, is it really worth all the hype or is it just overrated? Well, I've been testing it out for a while now, and in today's video I'll be sharing all the details you need to know. So let's get started. Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream is designed for both your face and body, and it's suitable for dry to normal skin. I picked up the 250-gram tub, which cost $14 or rupees 1,173 or rupees 469 per 100 grams here in India. The price is definitely on the higher side for a drugstore moisturizer, but let's see if it's really worth it. Now, one thing that really stood out to me that this product is paraben-free, sulfate-free, and it contains some pretty nice active ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin B5, almond oil, and vitamin E. These ingredients are known for soothing, hydrating, and nourishing the skin, so I was pretty excited to try it out. Let's take a quick look at what's inside this cream. First, we've got niacinamide, a fantastic ingredient for calming irritation, reducing redness, and strengthening your skin's moisture barrier. It's great for sensitive skin. Next is vitamin B5, which helps to keep your skin hydrated and soft by locking in moisture. It's perfect for dry skin, giving you that smooth, supple feel. And the best part, this cream is paraben and sulfate free, making it gentle and safe for sensitive skin without any harsh chemicals. First off, let's talk about the texture. The cream is thick and rich, but it does feel a little heavier compared to other moisturizers. When you apply it, it's a bit greasy at first, and honestly, it does take some time to fully absorb into your skin. If you're in a rush, this might not be your go-to option. As you can see, the finish is quite shiny, and that's because the cream creates a barrier on your skin to lock in moisture. While this is great for dry skin, it can feel a little greasy if you have oily skin or if you're not into that shiny look. Let's talk about the pros first because there are definitely some good things about this cream. If you have dry skin, this is amazing. It provides long-lasting hydration without irritation. My skin feels soft and moisturized all day after using it. It's really great for sensitive skin. It doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, fragrances, or alcohol, so you don't have to worry about irritation. The fact that it can be used on both your face and body is pretty handy. I've been using on my elbows, knees, and hands, and it works great. But of course, no product is perfect, so let's get over a couple of cons. Like I mentioned earlier, it's pretty thick cream, so it does take time to absorb into the skin. If you're in a hurry, you might not have the patience for this. Now, this might be a pro for some of you, especially if you have dry skin, but if you're someone who prefers a matte finish, the greasy look might not be for you. Because it's so thick, it can feel a little heavy or greasy on your skin, especially if you're using it on your face. If you have oily or combination skin, this might not be the best fit for you. Now, my personal experience. I've been using this cream for about 3 weeks now, and I can honestly say I've seen a difference in my skin's hydration. After using it, my skin feels softer and more nourished, and I love that it's gentle enough for sensitive areas. I've used it on my face, especially on dry patches, and it does a great job hydrating. However, I've noticed that it can feel a little greasy, so I tend to use it more at night when I don't mind the extra shine. So, is Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream worth the hype? I think if you have dry to normal skin and are looking for something gentle and hydrating, yes, it's definitely worth considering. But if you have oily skin or want something lighter with a matte finish, you might want to pass on this one. That's it for today's review. I hope you found this helpful. If you've tried Cetaphil, let me know in the comments below what your experience has been like. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe for more skincare reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.